How to recover deleted project in Capcut. First, open Capcut and go to the Projects or Drafts section. Many times, what you think is deleted is still saved locally as a draft. Just tap to reopen it and continue editing. If you've enabled Capcut Cloud Backup in Settings, your projects are automatically stored online. Go to Settings Cloud Backup, log in, and restore your project from there. On both Android and iPhone, Capcut saves project data in the app folder. Use your phone's file manager to search for the Capcut folder. Sometimes the project files are still there even after deletion. If you deleted any exported videos, check your phone's recently deleted folder in Photos or Gallery. You can re-import them into Capcut to rebuild your project. As a last resort, try trusted recovery apps like Disk Digger, Android, or iMobi Phone Rescue, iOS, to scan for lost Capcut files. Thanks for watching.